Good evening, friends. Everything we thought we knew about human hair growth is officially wrong. Welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday, July 7, 2026, and today we have an absolute avalanche of breaking medical news. From a massive rewrite of basic human biology to a groundbreaking discovery that stops colon cancer dead in its tracks, we are diving deep into the medical updates changing the world right now. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on health, longevity, and medical tech, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's jump into today's top stories. Segment 1, the biology rewrite and cancer breakthroughs. First up, a massive story from the world of basic science that is blowing up medical forums today. For decades, medical textbooks taught us that human hair grows because dividing cells at the root simply push the hair shaft outward. According to a new study published today on Science Daily, advanced 3D imaging has revealed that hair is actually pulled upward by highly coordinated cell movements inside the follicle itself. This completely changes how dermatologists view alopecia and hair thinning, opening the door for entirely new classes of hair growth stimulants that target cell coordination rather than just root division. But that isn't the only major discovery today. Oncologists are celebrating a massive breakthrough in colorectal cancer research. Scientists have identified the exact molecular switch that allows colon cancer cells to change their identity and spread throughout the body. When levels of a specific gene-regulating factor called GATA6 drop, cancer cells shed their normal identity and transform into highly adaptable, lethal killers. By finding a way to keep GATA6 levels stable, researchers believe they can lock these tumors in place, making them easy targets for standard therapies. This is a monumental win in the fight against one of the deadliest cancers worldwide. Segment 2, Biotech, Longevity, and Extreme Gadgets. Moving into tech and longevity, celebrity tech entrepreneur Brian Johnson, famous for spending millions annually to reverse his biological age, has just made a major health announcement. As reported today by Medical Dialogues, the 48-year-old has been diagnosed with autoimmune gastritis, AIG. AIG is a rare condition where the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the stomach lining, leading to severe iron and vitamin B12 deficiencies. Johnson revealed that years of unexplained low iron led to the biopsy that confirmed the diagnosis. While there is currently no cure, his medical team is pivoting to experimental, AI-designed antibody treatments to target the rogue immune cells. It's a stark reminder that even the most aggressive anti-aging regimens can't completely shield us from genetic or autoimmune anomalies. Speaking of advanced medical tech, engineers have just supercharged the future of drug delivery. A new fluidic technology utilizing tiny, liquid metal droplets smaller than a raindrop has made wearable medical devices and soft internal biorobots 3 times more powerful. According to engineering reports from news-medical.net, this breakthrough leverages the natural surface tension of liquid metal to generate unprecedented force. Imagine microscopic, highly flexible robots traveling seamlessly through your bloodstream to deliver chemotherapy directly to a tumor, completely bypassing and protecting healthy tissue. The future is officially here. Segment 3, Clinical Trials and Regulatory Shockwaves. If you or someone you love deals with vitiligo, you need to hear this. Teva Pharmaceutical Industries hosted a live global webcast this morning to announce that their investigational anti-IL-15 monoclonal antibody, TEV-408, is moving rapidly into Phase 2b clinical trials. The drug is designed for convenient quarterly dosing. In their latest Phase 1b trial of adults with extensive non-segmental vitiligo, the results were stunning. By week 24, nearly 75% of patients saw dramatic improvements in facial vitiligo, and 55% reported significant repigmentation across their entire body. Crucially, the drug was exceptionally well tolerated with zero safety concerns. Meanwhile, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has just issued a historic supplemental approval for the revolutionary gene therapy Casgevy. Previously restricted to patients aged 12 and older, Casgevy is now officially approved for children as young as 2 years old suffering from sickle cell disease and transfusion-dependent beta thalassemia. This marks the first ever gene therapy available to toddlers, offering a definitive, life-altering cure for families battling these agonizing blood disorders. Segment 4, Global Health Alerts and Daily Milestones. Before we wrap up, we have a fast-paced global health lightning round you cannot afford to miss. The FDA E. coli outbreak. The FDA has issued an urgent public health warning regarding a major E. coli outbreak linked to organic frozen blueberries. Check your freezers immediately and discard any recalled organic frozen berry products. India's surgical first. Over in Coimbatore, India, surgeons have successfully executed the nation's first ever inter-hospital liver swap surgery, setting a massive milestone for organ transplant logistics. Blockchain in healthcare. Simultaneously, IIMS New Delhi made history by concluding one of the world's largest medical faculty recruitment drives, filling over 460 professor positions entirely via secure, transparent blockchain-based digital technology to eliminate bureaucratic tampering. Can you tell if an animal has rabies? You might have an image in your head of a dog or raccoon acting aggressively and foaming at the mouth. But it's not so easy to tell if you're looking at a rabid animal. Most wild animals that have rabies actually act shy or timid. That's not the way wild animals normally act, so steer clear. Here are some common sense rules for dealing with stray or wild animals. Never pet a stray dog or cat. If you see an animal acting strangely, it's aggressive or tries to bite you, call your local animal control. Never touch a wild animal even if it looks dead. WebMD. Down syndrome. With the higher prevalence of psoriasis, hidradenitis suppurativa, HS, alopecia areata, AA, and other skin conditions in people with Down syndrome, DS, dermatologists are vital members of these patients' multidisciplinary care teams, according to an expert who spoke at the Society for Pediatric Dermatology, SPD, pre-AAD annual meeting. PEEP. Applying a higher PEEP, 10 cmH2O, postnatally might be beneficial in preventing short as well as long-term outcomes in preterm infants, but randomized controlled trials are needed to confirm this hypothesis. FNBMJ.com. Outro and community engagement. That is your crisp breakdown of the massive medical developments shifting the healthcare landscape today, July 7, 2026. From microscopic liquid metal robots to cures for toddlers with genetic disorders, medical science is moving faster than ever before. What do you think? Which story from today's lineup do you think will have the biggest impact on everyday life? Are you excited or nervous about the rise of AI-designed antibody therapies like the ones Brian Johnson is exploring? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video valuable, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for your daily dose of cutting-edge health and science news. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer: compiled information. This content is for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. The audience must verify the contents before use. The creator, publisher, and YouTube will not be responsible for any harm.